we had just left Alexandria after a really bad time there. Still flying our key flag, as you can see. Never got off the boat, never got checked in. Sat there for 4 days. I guess we did bribe it. Seas are right now, yeah, you can see them, they're not too bad. A couple of feet. We've got about 15 true, their parent. We've got about 10 or 11 true, and that's the port of Alexandria. They wanted us to go over and anchor along those big ships in 100 to 200 feet of water. And we told them no, we're not doing that. We did anchor in 50. And these seas picked up, and we were rolling 30 to 40 degrees, and we just bailed out of there. So right now I got a warship. I got a warship trailing me right now. So we're going to see what he has to say about the whole thing. He may ask us to stop, at which time I will not heave to in these seas. I will not stop the boat in these seas. I will not strike my sails in these seas, let's put it that way. That would be dangerous. This boat could roll in a heartbeat if it gets sea on the beam of it. We're doing right now about 6 knots, which is incredible, little sailing machine. Okay, talk to you later, bye. We are currently asked by the I think they want us to stop at 8. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do here. We just put a reef in. We've got 17 knots of wind. We're about 6 to 7 miles off the coast. And
somebody can talk to us on the radio.
263 feet. So I have no idea what they want.
I will not stop this boat in these seas, Captain. This is dangerous. This is not a big boat like yours. I will roll this boat over. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand, but I wanted to see your license.
You want to see what?
Your license to go the boat.
You want to see my American license?
Do you have an Egyptian license?
I do not have an Egyptian license. I am a United States citizen. This is a United States sailing vessel.
Do you have one?
I have what?
Yes.
Say again.
You have your American license and you will believe it?
I have my American license. This is the United States. We are both United States citizens, and I am approaching international waters if I'm correct.
Okay, you don't have two other nationalities.
You don't have what?
You don't have any other nationality.
The nationality is United States of America. Our president is Donald J. Trump.
What does it mean to me?
Say again. Say again.